choosing between the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max depends on your preferences. If you want a more compact phone with great specs and a good camera, the iPhone 16 Pro is a great choice. If you prefer more screen space for multimedia content and better camera capabilities, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is worth considering. Both models offer high performance and modern features, but differences in screen size, cameras, and battery life can be deciding factors in your choice. When comparing the iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max, it's important to consider a few key aspects, such as size, display, performance, cameras, and battery life. Design and dimensions. Display. The iPhone 16 Pro has a 6.3-inch display. The iPhone 16 Pro Max offers a larger 6.9-inch display. This makes the Pro Max more suitable for viewing media content and playing games. Body. Both devices have a titanium frame, but the Pro Max is slightly heavier due to its larger size. This may affect the comfort of using it in one hand. Performance. Processor. Both devices are powered by the A18 Pro processor, which provides identical performance in most tasks. However, the Pro Max may have slightly longer battery life due to its larger battery. RAM. Both devices have 6 GB of RAM, which is enough for most modern apps and multitasking. Camera. Rear cameras. Both phones have a triple camera setup with the same specs, but the Pro Max has an optical zoom of up to 5x, while the Pro has up to 3x. This gives the Pro Max an advantage in long-range photography. Video recording. Both devices can record 4K video at up to 60 FPS. However, the Pro Max offers improved slow motion features and other video editing capabilities. Battery. The iPhone 16 Pro has a battery capacity of about 3077 mAh, while the iPhone 16 Pro Max has a larger 4676 mAh battery. This allows the Pro Max to last longer on a single charge, especially with heavy use. Battery life. The estimated battery life for web surfing is about 22 hours for the Pro Max and about 18 hours for the Pro. This is a significant advantage for users who value long battery life.